Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Wow, that's my favorite way to start off a day. 0 people in the chat. How's everyone doing? Today we got a lot of exciting stuff planned. Do some Fantom. Hopefully I can get Nigel to crawl out of my ass and all you other Fantom lovers. I doubt it. I didn't buy that much Fantom yet, but we're going to check out Fantom. We're going to check out Fantom. There's some stuff I want to do on Anchor and Luna. There's some cool stuff going on over there. My boy Al Sanders. I know it's not Al Sanders. It's something Sanders, but Al Sanders comes to mind. What can I tell you? I watch too much football. He pointed out that how much the ARB was in Luna right now. Luna. I didn't realize it was that high, so I did a little bit of that last night. I lost my patience. I said I was going to be patient. I broke down and I bought some Luna at like $55. I should have been patient because Luna went down below 50. It's actually making a comeback. We'll hop over to the desktop in a second. Let me get a couple things ready. We'll take a quick look at the markets. I want to show you some Luna, and then we'll talk about some Fantom. I am pretty excited about Fantom. I did start my deep dive on Fantom. Added a lot to the spreadsheet. There's a few things about it I do like. I'm nowhere near as excited about it as I am about Cardano and Luna, but I like it. It's cool. I think it's a good crypto. We'll go through all the pros and cons and the things that I looked at. Let me get Tastyworks up and running. We're just going to take a quick look at Tastyworks. Oh my goodness. No wonder no one's here. Why did I schedule this for 5:15? I don't know that I can change that. Oh, there we go. I don't know if it's going to let me change it. How the hell it is? Oh my goodness. All right, I think I just changed it. My apologies. You know what I did? I did that move. Oh, this is, oh, sorry, we did not update your video. All right, well, crap. I don't know if this is going to cause a problem. I mean, it should be fine. Yeah, I think we're good. Whatever. I'm pretty sure we are live. A microphone check. All right, so I screwed that up. The video was scheduled and it was private and I didn't catch that. So my bad. Anyway, today we're going to talk about, we're going to do a little bit of Luna bonus content. I want to do some Fantom. I did set up a Fantom wallet, and then I realized, then I got the spooky swap because I Googled, connect your MetaMask, your Fantom to MetaMask, and not much came up. So I just poorly assumed you needed the Fantom wallet. I created the Fantom wallet, and then I get the spooky swap, and then I see you need MetaMask, so I just quickly added it to MetaMask. I did buy some Fantom over on just a couple $100 worth. Calm down, everyone. I know, crawl up my butt because I didn't buy more. But I bought some Fantom. I've already sent it over. I want to start playing around with spooky swap. Let me get logged into Tastyworks. We'll take a quick look at the markets. The markets were up big last night. And then they were down big this morning. And I think they've already reversed, and I think they're already green again. All right, so we have the Nasdaq. Yeah, the Nasdaq is barely green, but I mean, an hour ago it was like negative 150. So Tesla's green. Tesla really got whacked hard yesterday. I had to put spread on in there. I took that off for near max loss. Just gonna wick my loons and move on from that one. The E-mini S&P is now negative again. The Nasdaq, oh, the Nasdaq's kind of dropping again. So it's probably just gonna be a choppy non-event in the markets today. I don't know that anything's really going on. I mean, there's no real catalyst that I can think of. Apple did report last night. They smashed earnings. You know, a lot of thoughts were Apple's going to save the market. And that's why last night the futures were up really big. And then again, they went pretty red overnight. I don't know what's going on in the world, you know, to cause that big of a swing. And now we're back to basically flat. Apple itself is up about $5. I think in after hours yesterday it was up about 8 or 9. Nigel in the house, how you doing, brother? Yeah, you're gonna crawl up my butt a little bit because I bought some Fantom, but I only bought a couple $100 worth. You know, I may add to this position over time. We're gonna talk about it. I definitely want to check out Spooky Swap, and there's some things I like about it. We're gonna start off with a little bit of Luna. I did mention A. Sanders did point out how much the arbitrage opportunity was over there, and I was so that caused me to remember yesterday I said I was going to be patient. I don't know, I lost my patience, I guess, and I ended up buying some Luna at about $55, and then I woke up this morning and it was below 50. It's actually below its recent low, so it's getting whacked pretty hard. I'm actually going to buy a little bit more, and I'll show you just real quickly. I'll show you like what kind of ARB opportunities you have here. Let me hop on over to Anchor. All right, so I did this on my laptop. I guess that doesn't sync. So there's a really cool bot. That you can install in Telegram for Luna. I'll post that in the chat. Nimrod in the house. How you doing, brother? So you can add this to your Telegram. All right, so it just needed that. And then there's some commands you can run, and it'll show you the arbitrage opportunities. And then you can even click to go to TerraSwap, Astroport, or Loop. So you would just type ARBs. And right now on Luna B-Luna, it's about 2.74%. It was as high as like 4 or 5, I think, yesterday. I did some for about 3%. The M-ETH to B-ETH is really interesting at 6%. So does that mean, let's take a look at that. Getting 6% on your Ethereum is, pretty freaking baller. Let's go to, I mean, I've not done the M-ETH B-ETH. Is that like, what am I missing? Because why wouldn't you just loop that over and over? The fees get you or something? Oh, you can't swap out a B-ETH easily, I think would be the problem. But it's a good way if you wanted to get into, say you're over on Terra and you wanted to add some B-ETH, this would avoid having to deal with Lido Finance, I guess. So if I were to get one M-ETH, I would get 1.06 B-ETH, or about a 6%. It says I don't have enough balance. Please tell me I didn't. Oh, I gotta connect my wallet. So you could take some money on Anchor. Say you wanted to buy some Ethereum. You would take your money, you would go over to Mirror Finance, you would buy some METH. It's just the mirror wrapped Ethereum, and then you can go to like TerraSwap, or you can go to Ashport. You can swap it into BETH, and then you would get a little bit extra on your Ethereum, unwrapping B, and then you can use it as collateral, right? I have a lot of BETH over here. I use this. I'll keep that in mind going forward. I'm not really looking to buy some more Ethereum right now, and I don't know the process to get BETH unwrapped. You probably just go to Lido Finance, even though it's probably not too complicated, but I don't know that, like, unless you're holding it for a while, because if you get BETH and you just have it in your TerraStation wallet, you're gonna get like 6% for the swap, and then you're gonna earn, like 4%. Rex in the house. How you doing, brother? You and your Holy Grail, bro. I checked out Holy Grail. That looks like another rug pull. Get wrecked. If Dex, if I low TVL, no utility. I didn't see any white papers. I'm not sure. Maybe they're there. Very little information. I don't know. That's the Holy Grail to getting wrecked, if you ask me. All right, so real quickly, let's do the Luna. I'm gonna get some Luna. Let's go ahead and withdraw like, we'll do 800. So I'm gonna buy some Luna, and then I'm gonna convert it to B Luna and get some free Luna. Let's see where the best place to buy Luna is. So we'll switch this to UST. Remember, don't spend all your UST because that's needed for gas. So you can buy BETH now too, but I don't know what the versus like just going straight, taking your Ethereum, because it was kind of a pain in the butt. I had to send my Ethereum to MetaMask, go to Lido Finance, and then send it across the bridge. So this is cool that you can you sell BETH? Let's see what kind of max 24,000. So you can swap BETH over here. That's amazing. I don't know what kind of loss I would take. It looks like 1%. All right, let's go back to I'm gonna buy Luna. So that would give me 16.52. We could check it over here. It's probably going to be right around the same. Loop Ring's another one you can go to, but I'm not going to check that one out. All right, 16.5. So that's actually a little bit better over here. So I'm going to go ahead and swap this. All right, so now you can take your B Luna and bond it, convert it to B Luna. And the arbitrage right now, I mean, according to the RBot, is around 2.74%. So I can take 16.54 Luna and convert it, and this is showing approximately 3%. So Cost me about 30 cents. I'm going to get about half a Luna for free. When I did this last night, I bought 100 Luna and I got like 3 Luna for free, right around 3%. Looks like this is updating. Let's see if Astroport's better. $17,057, $17,052. I guess I get slightly more here, so let's go ahead and do it. So I just got some Luna for free. I mean, the risk, there's a few risks. One, it takes 21 days to unbond it. There are times when the arbitrage is kind of like equal or close to equal when you go the opposite way, and you can even set up an alert for that with this bot. But right now, if you want to swap out of B Luna to Luna, you're going to lose, you know, the negative 3% or whatever. And then I can immediately go to unbond it. So now that I have more Luna, I can come over to Anchor. I can come over, I need to refresh this because they updated the GUI. I believe it's here, yeah. So you go to Luna. And what did I get? I just got like 17. I'm keeping some B Luna on the platform. So what you do is you burn it. You can come over here and I'm going to say, I'm going to burn the 17. It's going to give me back 17.0. So I went in buying 16.5 and for 21 days, I'm going to make 3%. I don't know how, you know, it's been like that for a while. The rates were really good, but even at getting like 2 or 3% every 21 days or so, you know, that adds up to quite a lot. If you could do that like 15 times a year at even 2%, that's 30% return on your Luna. Now the risks are, you can also do an instant burn, but it takes 21 days. The redemption period is 21 days. Slashing events that occur during the 21 days may affect your final amount withdrawn. From what I understand, that doesn't happen very often. And then redemption are processed in 3-day batches, so it could take up to 24 days. You want to make sure that you're getting, you know, at least a 1-to-1. And, you know, there is a little bit of risk, and then, you know, your money's locked up for 21 days. But also, you can also do an instant burn and get it immediately, but you're going to see that 3% loss. Basically, you're going to go back to even. But if you need that, you know, if you need that liquidity fast. Also, while you have the B Luna, all right, all right, I'm just going to do this and get this process going. So it'll unlock in roughly 21 days. Free Luna. While you have the B asset, you're earning with it. It's like 8 or 9 or 10%. I don't know the exact amount. As long as you don't provide it for collateral. I think it's under earn. Thought it was under this page. No, it's borrow. All right, so you can see, I don't have any collateral here, right? So you can provide it as collateral, and then that way you can borrow against it. And there's some strategies where people, and this is kind of how the Levana is going to work. You borrow, you provide B Luna as collateral, and then you borrow, and then you loop it. I don't know the strategy. It's too risky for me to be quite honest. But if you're not providing it as collateral, and this B ETH and this B Luna is just chilling in your wallet like it is for me, you earn money on it. So this shows you right here that I have these two assets in my wallet and how much. So I have 10.44, 17.77. I like the old interface where, oh, so this does break down the rewards. So far, since I've last claimed, I've earned $3.69 and $12.89. I can't remember, but either way, you're earning about 4 to 4.5%. I think you're earning about 4.5% on your B Luna. It's basically the Ethereum staking rewards, and then Lido Finance takes like a little cut. And I don't know the exact rewards you get on your Luna, but it's like 9 or 10%. So you're going to get a higher reward if you stake it, or if you do the Luna B Luna over on like TerraSwap, and you just want to set it and forget it. You know, I mean, the one thing I like about the TerraSwap is you can just farm Luna, and I'm eventually going to. I just want to get a little free boost right now, and I'm probably just going to put most of this into the Luna B Luna, because I'm going to be a long-term holder for Luna. You know, that's part of my focus this year. You put it in the farm, the LP grows in value, but you're not claiming it, so it's not really a tax event. So you can retro in the house. How you doing, brother? So you can put the Luna B Luna in the TerraSwap pool. It's paying, and I have quite a bit over there. I mean, I say quite a bit. It's a decent amount, but it's paying what? And that's gone up. So when I first got into this, it was like 24%. So it's paying 32% right now, which is really good. I do think Luna, not financial advice, I do think Luna is one of the best assets on the board right now. It's getting cheaper. And the cheaper it gets, the more I kind of want to buy. But anyway, there you go. There's your huge alpha for this morning on how to get. If you want to buy Luna, you can immediately buy Luna, get more Luna, and then the different things you can do with it. This Luna B Luna on TerraSwap is, in my opinion, one of the best yield farms out there right now, if you're bullish Luna. All right, let's move on to Fantom. Actually, let's see what's going on with the price of crypto really quick. All right, we got, it was starting to pump last night, and then it was starting to dump this morning. It looks like we were going to get a little pump this morning, and now we're back to dumping. Luna itself is dumping pretty hard. Let's see, check out Alexander. Here we go. Bro, what is it with you? Like, what degen anonymous group do I need to get you two signed up for? Man, I've seen I missed some yeah, you did, bro. You're gonna have to go back and watch it. If you're looking to get some Luna, you can get free Luna. It's Alec. Are you the Alexander? No, wait. You're not the A Sanders, are you? I can't remember. Alexander, are you A Sanders? Yeah, he pointed out how much the ARB was, so I did buy some last night. It's pretty good. It's pretty good stuff. And then once you're done, you can just yield farm, and right now that yield farm is worth 30%. Ape drip. Drip is hot freaking garbage, guys. Drip is, dude, Holy Grail. Tell me what I'm missing about Holy Grail. Holy Grail, is it just the APR? Is that it? Is the APR the only reason? Hopefully you're not aping a lot into this, because that screams rug pull. I'm telling you, it screams rug pull, guys. Holy Grail seems like it looks awful. All right. Yeah, let's take a look at this, guys. This is the most degen play I've seen since your little wizard hat or whatever that hell that was. I bet it's the same freaking dude. They got a, yeah, who? They got a swap. Yeah, they got a swap, I bet. What is all this garbage? Oh, YouTube redirect. Give me a freaking break, YouTube. I looked at this morning. God dang it. It won't even come up, dude. Did it already rug pull? It already rug pulled. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's no, it's not app. All right, guys. Why? What? Dude, this is, you're out of your freaking mind. Sold my house and kidney and aped. Yeah, I know you're kidding on that one. Yeah, I wish you the best of luck in this, guys. They got, what do they got? They got 900,000 in TVL. What has this been out for? Like 12 hours? This is a straight, like, get in, try and, you gotta, if you're sitting there constantly cashing out and you got a very fast trigger finger to yank your liquidity, this is a gamble. This is likely a rug pull. I mean, what gets you? Is it, do you think God's telling, is God himself, is Jesus himself telling you to yield farm in the Holy Grail? I use some self-control and only aped in. Oh, good for you. Good for you. Guys, this should be called the holy red flag. All it is everything. Wait, what do we got here? Closed. So are they going to add single staking? This might, look, I don't know that this may end up being, first of all, I'm not impressed with this at all. This is, it looks like someone learned how to clone a DEX poorly and spun this up in like 4 hours. Like, he watched a YouTube video how to do this. He provided some liquidity to a holy USDC pool or a holy one pool, like $3,000. And now this thing has a market cap of 711,000 and he's just waiting to pull the plug, right? They already pulled liquidity before I got in. Look at chart. Then why would you still be in this thing? We can take a look at H-Snake too. I've been looking to do that. Yeah, guys, avoid this at all costs. Avoid this one at all costs. I don't know, there is no way, no freaking way. What is going on? Is H-Snake, is that a token? What's going on with H-Snake? Is that another one? Like, that one, just look, this pair has very little liquidity. Look at that. Aren't you like going crazy about this one too? Is this the right one? Man, you can't even get this chart to pull up. Is this the right one? Not looking any better over on Sushi. At least you can kind of see the chart. Yeah, this is hot garbage too. Let's go back to Holy. Did that give a low liquidity warning? Holy one, Holy USDC. At least this one doesn't give a low liquidity warning. Well, that is awful. Make me feel bad. A little correction. Make me feel bad for dumping on H-Snake. I mean, I don't have H-Snake doesn't give me close friend, so stop. Oh, he's a close friend of yours? The H, dude, are you like, so wait a second, Rex. What's been going on here, buddy? So the H-Snake is a close friend of yours? Well, hopefully it gets better. What are you, like an underground like dev or something for Harmony One, or are you like? I feel like there's something going on with you, Rex. You're not letting us know. I feel like you're the guy behind Harmony Wells. He's not your friend. The devs are close to the H-Snake guy. All right. What are you laughing at, Retro? All right, let's get on to Fantom. Fee 5 for Fantom. I would avoid Holy Grail at all costs. I would avoid this at all costs. I would avoid H-Snake at all costs. I feel bad the guy's on a ventilator. you know, I don't want anyone to go through that. I actually watched a really interesting video about nursing in the United States and how brutal it is for them, and how most of them want to quit, and how they're being treated like crap. And they're out there, you know, they're out there risking their lives. Nurses are dying. You know what I'm saying? Holy Grail does seem similar. It seems so, dude. I mean, this just screams red flag. Go to their swap. Go to the Twitter. All right, Twitter. Like 259 people are following this. Are you out of your effing mind for being in this, guys? Are you? Some guy speaking Chinese, right? Some guy in China is like, I don't know. Is this the guy that created it? I think that's Chinese. I mean, I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but you know, I'm not even gonna. Did I already go to the Discord? I don't even know if I want to. Even if I want to bother. All right, let me hop into this garbage ass Discord just to get a laugh. Their Medium article is a freaking joke. There's no white paper. There's no utility. There's 241 people in their Discord. No, I'm sorry, 544, 244 online. Verify, yep. Let's see. Announcements. Let's just announced a couple of days. Vote. Everyone, we decided we decided we'll be removing the single stake. Well, like that would be the only reason to even consider being over there, and I still wouldn't. The previous is, are they gonna single staking? Yeah, that's not single. Oh, you can single stake. Yeah, garbage, garbage, yield farming. Working on a new AMM interface. All right, they got a swap. I'm sure there's like 12 cents in their pools. Tweets. Hold on. Oh, they do have docs, I guess. This is their docs. Welcome to docs. Medium launch. So this article is laughable. At least this has got a little bit more than I thought. But this isn't really a white paper. It's obviously not audited. A total supply of 2.5 billion, 1,000 HLY per second. Yeah. All right, enough. You guys are crazy for being in that. No roadmaps, no white paper. Alexander, I thought you already sold a kidney in your house. All right, Fantom. Let's pull up. Let me get caught up real quick. Yeah, you are the mastermind. Yeah. Holy, so yeah, it sure does. Do that Lucian. I don't know what that means. He's DFK GOAT and he gets in on games early. Is that supposed to be dude? That's Lucian. Who's Lucian? He's DFK. Who's Lucian? The Chinese guy brings alpha on Twitter and he's a DFK bard. Well, he needs to speak a little bit of English for me to get it. I don't read Chinese, brother. I wish I did, but I don't. Where was that guy? Holy Grail. I mean, you can read Chinese. Nigel in the house, how you doing? Tom is that guy who hates being early. Please. I was early to crypto compared to, I bet, most people on this channel. Kurt in the house, how you doing, brother? I'm not saying I was earlier than you, Nigel. Calm down. I'm just saying I was earlier than most. You know, I saw on Twitter there was a Nicole that won the Climb Crypto giveaway. I don't know if that was the same Nicole that gave me a hard time, but congrats, Nicole, if it was you. Nigel always enters the chat on attack mode. Holy Grail is the next party hat. Oh, you were not. Yeah, last night's stream. I was watching last night's stream last night. All right, we're talking about some Fantom. All right, I actually did some due diligence. I rewatched. I rewatched a guy video from 2 months ago, and he had a lot of good information in there. I did take notes. There's more research I want to do. I mean, I need to get, this is the second most research I've done so far. Cardano with the most. I've got a lot going on with Cardano and a lot more to go. Join Tomb. There's no, Tomb Finance is like an ohm prisoner 3-3. We stake it, we all gonna make it, isn't it? There's a little chance of me doing that. Anyway, so I went through and checking some things out in Fantom. Fantom is on my radar, guys. I do like it now. I still think Luna's a way better play, and I think Cardano is the best play on the board. Cardano is hands down, IMO, not financial advice, the best play on the board. Let me beat this into your head one more time, like 2 seconds. Well, I say 2 seconds. I just want to find one graphic. This graphic says it all, along with all the other great things about Cardano. I freaking love that one. you guys, I don't know if you saw the Cowboys game 2 weeks ago where they lost to the Niners, and then like, what's his face, Dak Prescott. They had like 13 seconds to go, and he runs a draw down the middle, and they had no timeouts, and it was a very risky play. So the theory is he ran too far. He should have downed it quicker. He should have stopped, like he should have slid sooner to get enough second to spot the ball. And then he handed the ball to the center, and you can't do that because the center can't spot it. And then he got in the way of the ref, and all the Cowboys fans were up in arms, blaming the refs and everything. But so this is the ref spotting the ball. Oh my goodness, this made me laugh so hard. All right, guys. Let me find the graphic really quick. ETH. I could have sworn Oh, I did post a video from this guy going through. Watch mine instead. Watch my earlier part of this video instead. Too long. Elon Musk saying FSD robo-taxi will make Tesla's current financials look like nothing. Great, because I'm loaded up on Tesla. Tesla's definitely a big buy in my opinion right now. All right, here we go. So I don't know, it's a few days old, but I'm sure it's pretty much a similar pattern. Oh, I know one pattern for sure. So this was about 8 days ago, but the Cardano has higher volume, and there's not even a whole lot going on right now. Cardano is going to have ADAX come out on Sunday. I think Astro Swap's coming out soon. Liquid Finance is coming out soon. More and more DEXs are coming online. AMMs are coming online, games and others. So it already has crazy volume. Yes, they've got some problems, but they're well aware of these problems, and they've got a roadmap to address these, including the Plutus application and roadmap, pipelining. He's working on pipeline. This is one of the things I love. They're very, very transparent, and they tell you all the time what they're doing and what they're working on. Charles himself said, these things will happen this year. Pipelining, input endorsers, and Hydra. And his exact words, I don't care how effing much it will cost. And they have money. They have billions in their coffers, unlike someone like Fantom that has to do like capital raises, right? So this network is the only one that has a chance to come for Ethereum right now. And I think it will. Already higher volume and 568x cheaper fees, right? So this is hands down, in my opinion, at these levels, the best token to be in. I'm ride or die Cardano, and I'm either going to be very, very right or very, very wrong. All right, so on to Fantom. Fee 5 for Fantom. Tomb has way more ambitious plans than the vast majority of projects in all of crypto and the backing to make it happen. Is Tomb Finance on Fantom? Oh my goodness, Rex. You and your DGen plays, bro. Is Tomb one of those Ohm style magic internet money 3-3 prisoner? Don't rat on your prisoner strategies. Will you stream from your maybe. I'll probably have to get Starlink or something. I'll be so rich I can have a cable run across the seafloor, a fiber optic cable, get the fastest internet. Yeah, you think that would be the dream, streaming from your private island, but getting groceries. I mean, I guess I could send my butler off in the helicopter to go get my groceries. You know, things like that. Tomb is an algorithmic stablecoin pegged. Oh, that's interesting. So, all right, let's get into it real quick, because there is one thing that I do really like about Fantom. Tomb is so is it Tomb Finance? All right, we can take a look at both those. All right, so pros for Fantom. Yearnfi creator Andre Cronray Andre Cronjob is the lead developer for Fantom. He's the one that created Yearn Finance. He's a smart dude. That's also a pro though. I mean, this project what happens if Andre gets hit by a bus? You know, it's probably not going to be good for Fantom. You know, the bus theory, calm down. I'm just saying, you know, you got too much writing on one guy. All right. So I listed this as a pro. This would probably be it's more likely a pro, but it doesn't use typical blockchain. It uses DAG, directed acyclic graph. I don't know much about that. That's something I still need to learn. I don't know if that's supposed to be superior, why it's superior, things like that. I do think it's undervalued as a DeFi. Or I mean, it's undervalued versus DeFi because it has a ton of DeFi in it. And I meant to put a link to that, so I can do that right now. This link to this spreadsheet is in the description down below too, by the way. So if you look at Fantom, I mean, is this also a red flag? Why is it so undervalued versus DeFi is the question. Oh, this is interesting. They've updated this a little bit. So they put all like the layer 2 stuff under Ethereum, or do they include that as the TVL? Or are those separated out? Ethereum 144. All right, so BNB Terra app Fantom's number 5. It's been moving up. It's currently sitting at about 12.46 billion. When you look at the market cap versus TVL, so I mean, it's basically the same TVL. It's more TVL by like 1.7 than Polygon. It's Solana's really fallen from graces. So if we look at CoinGecko versus, I mean, it gives a ratio, but so 0.4 versus 1.2 versus 1.3. So it's lagging. Its market cap. Its market cap. Its TVL versus its market cap is really low. So I mean, Avalanche is 15 billion, where Fantom is 5 billion. And they have almost the exact same TVL. So as a TVL, but why? Like, why is that? You say it's vastly undervalued, but at the same time, there's got to be a reason for that, which is kind of hard to wrap my head around, but there's got to be a reason for that. Like, this is painfully obvious that it's undervalued versus its TVL and the price is so low. So Epstein did it. Yeah. Epstein had a lot of money. I don't know if I'm going to get that baller. All right. So it's undervalued. Staked FTM can be used as collateral on DeFi. I'm very interested in that. I can't wait to see what that looks like. You know, similar to like you put UST in the anchor, you get AUST. You can use that in DeFi. I don't know what you can do with it in Fantom, but that's one of the things I'm going to be learning and excited to learn about. I want to put this in right here. It has a max supply of 3.175 billion tokens. I think I got in there. All changes are done via the governance token. I think that's pretty much the same of how Cardano's done. Like, Charles can't say this is what we're going to do. It has to be voted upon. Alameda Research has 35 million in it plus other VCs. Is that a pro? That's a con. I mean, it's a pro in the fact that people believe in it, I guess. But I guess you could also just easily see it as a con. I'll leave it as a pro. It's EVM compatible, so it's very easy to take Ethereum apps and run them on Fantom. This is one of my favorite pros. 370 million in incentives, unlike the other chains. I wonder if that has something to do with it. I don't know. If you build it, they will come. I love that they have such a big incentive program for the developers to develop on Fantom. Well, I mean, you could also... It's also a bit of a downside. Just because you offer incentives, I mean, you know how that S goes. Yeah, people just go throw together a crappy quick app. I don't know how good their vetting process is. If there's like, you know, you gotta, if they were doing things like, yeah, because it seems like anyone can get a Harmony grant with that. You know what I'm saying? So what does it take for you to get, you know, this incentives? Do you have to meet, do they, you know, very strict and rigid guidelines that you have to meet these and little payouts here and there or something like that? Or is it just, you're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna throw up a DEX and oh, hey, here you go, here's $1 million type thing. So, all right, Coinbase wallet added FTM. So this was as of November. FTM still not listed on Coinbase, but a possible listing is possibly on the horizon. It is on Binance. I mean, that's where I bought it. It was pretty easy to buy it on Binance and send it over. And they've surpassed 1 million wallet addresses. And another great stat, Guy loves it. Guy.eth. Guy over at the Coin Bureau loves it, and he owns it. It's a percentage of his portfolio. A much bigger percentage of his portfolio than it is of mine. Mine is probably like 0.005% of my portfolio. You have to maintain TV. Well, Nigel, are you on the Fantom team? Is this what I've been missing? You have to maintain TVL over months for the grant. Don't quote me on that. Yeah, no, that's a good thing to know. Yeah, not hitting that button until yeah, the likes are a little low today, and there's there's 9 viewers in the house now, but the Fantom doesn't bring the Fantom doesn't bring the boys to the yard. Let me tell you that. All right. Cons, very, very, very centralized. Doesn't like one dude own over 50%? Is that Andre? Does Andre own like 50% or is it someone else? 500K tokens daily from staking are added. So that's a bit of sell pressure. Only 60 validators as of 11/21. I don't know how much that has changed, but that is bad. That is ugly. That is awful. I mean, Harmony 1's bad. This is bad. This is bad. They also have storage issues due to the size of the Fantom blockchain. This was of 11/21. Yeah, Fantom. Yeah, it's fine. We can't hit grand slams every day. I mean, they missed out on some great Luna Alpha. I'll tell them that. Tell them that. All right. So storage issues due to the. So this is one of the problems I had with my validator, right? I go out and I spin up this validator, and the papers say you only need this size hard drive, but the size of the blockchain has grown so much, I really had to add a bunch of storage to my validator. Please donate to that thing, guys, please. Every little bit helps. Like I need to get to 4 million. That thing ain't cheap. I had to add a 400 gig size hard drive. That blew up my bill right there because and so the Harmony One team does have a bounty out to help solve that problem, but I'm not holding my breath on that one. They've been talking about how they're going to help the small validators out too. I haven't seen any initiative or drive on that. And in fact, that's why I have problems with a lot of these teams and Fuzz Finance and Trezor Finance and a few others that are and this is the same problem I have with Cardano. That's why I hate the SPO. It's just driving all the people to a set number of validators. And that's not good. That's not one of the big reasons I got into crypto. Anyway, this is a big problem. I don't know how much this has changed in the last two months. Probably not much at all. I seriously doubt hundreds of validators have spun up in the last 2 months. I got to make sure I'm not getting... It's a little bit early to be getting Slack messages. All right, cool. No right Friday, guys. Don't do anything. Don't make any changes. It'll F up your weekend. I'll probably have to be doing some of that myself. But we got the Chiefs game. Oh, I shouldn't even jinx it. All right. Start 20,000. They claim they have 20,000 TPS, but I'm putting this as a con right now. It's really kind of a gray area. This only applies to basic transactions. The real is only in the hundreds. Another thing is it's a young chain, and the main CEO seems really young. I don't know what his credentials are. This may be not real. Maybe this shouldn't be a con. This is more, I need to look into this. I think the guy that originally created Fantom is no longer around, and it's mostly and like this dude, the CEO is like the last dude left. Again, this is a very young chain. It went live. Did I put that in here? I think it went live sometime in like 2019. And I talk about this all the time. There's a lot of smart people out there that think they can just go into blockchain and create a blockchain. Technology is not easy, and this is very hard, advanced, very early to technology, and this is something you got to worry about. Is Fantom going to start running into issues as more and more people come online, like Harmony One seeing, and Harmony One and Fantom is not seeing, like you guys. Oh, Cardano this and that. Cardano sucks. Cardano can't handle it. Do you realize the amount of people using Cardano versus the amount of people using Fantom and Harmony One? What do you think? How do you think Harmony One and Fantom? Do you think they can handle the billions of volume that Ethereum and Cardano see? Probably not. Just all I'm saying is just keep in mind that this is technology. You might not be as smart about it as you think you are. There's a lot of people out there that'll sit there and read this marketing material and talk about their TPS, right? Solana is a prime example of this. Solana got too much people, too much bandwidth, too much volume, and it started to see and it couldn't handle the pressure, and it's starting to have problems. And that's just the beginning. That, in my opinion, that could just be the beginning of the problems they're having. The people on these teams that are creating these DeFis, how long have they been in the game? Charles Hoskinson, he was in it with Ethereum, and before that, right? Gavin Wood, the same thing. These dudes, I'll tell you right now, from the technology standpoint, if someone wants to have a bunch of router switches and firewalls and servers, lifted and shifted and put into the network, do you want to go to an engineer that's been doing it for 2 years, or do you want to go to someone like me that's been doing it for 2 decades? You know what I'm saying? So a lot of the same stuff's going to apply when it comes to this. CIA defector in the house. How you doing, brother? I bought Fantom at $1, sold it $2. You like it, but you sold it. Fantom is owned by Sam Bankman. I don't know that that's true. Him and Alameda Research are pushing BTC down. Sam targeting and liquidating shorts. Wait. Are pushing BTC down by Sam targeting. He would be targeting and liquidating longs with what you're saying there. Don't you mean that? I did list that Alameda Research gave 35 million. I don't know how many. That's another con. I think I put that in. Oh yeah. So unknown how much Fantom is owned by the FTM Foundation and how the money is being spent. So I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all. I like Fantom. I don't love Fantom. I'm definitely going to get some Fantom. We're going to do some yield farming, but I'm not going. Cardano and Ethereum are so far up in the stratosphere compared to everyone else. It's not even, you can't even question it. And then if you come down, you know, for me personally, I think it's Luna. And then when you want to come down, you want to get a little bit riskier. You got to understand there is risk and reward here. I like Fantom. I like Avalanche. I like Harmony One, but I don't, they're nowhere near the same playing field as Cardano and Ethereum. I'm sorry, guys. They're just not. No problem, CIA. No problem. Don't, in fact, stop texting. FTM alerts live with Fantom Foundation. What does that even mean? ICP. ICP interests me. ICP, yeah, you know me. 250, bro, stop. You better be at a stoplight. 258K TPS is what they said they tested. Who? ICP? ICP interests me because it's supposed to be the internet computer blockchain. I'd like to learn more about it. I don't know if it's feasible. I watched a guy video on it a while back. I don't have the brain cycles right now to really deep dive it. Some people think it's a scam, other people don't. I don't know. I mean, I looked at it and I saw some pretty smart bros on the team. It can be, excuse me, it can be one of those ones that really like come out of nowhere. Because it used to be in like the top 10, just out of nowhere. It just shot up into like the top 10 and then it got hammered. So I'm definitely interested in that one because it has a lot, you know, the internet computer. That's the type of stuff I do, servers, routers, switches, and all that. So Harmony built to complement ETH, not compete. I don't know that I ever said, I don't think, I mean, are you insinuating that I said Ethereum was going to overtake, I mean, Harmony One was going to overtake Ethereum. I'm just simply saying that Ethereum and Cardano are playing in a it's a much, Cardano and Ethereum are at the show. They're at the show. I would put Fantom and Harmony One at like single A or double A level, right? Harmony, I would maybe put Fantom at double A and Harmony at single A, right? I know you guys love Harmony One, but you're seeing the issues right now, and they're not like, it hasn't gotten any better, and we're not really getting a lot of announcements, right? I think that's another problem with Fantom. They don't announce things. They don't tell you a lot of what's going on. They're not very transparent. And that's another thing I love about Cardano. They're the most transparent blockchain on the planet. And there's no contest. Charles is constantly on YouTube. He's constantly on Twitter. He's in Twitter Spaces, telling you what's going on. The team's constantly putting out papers, telling you that these are the problems. These are the problems we're going to solve this year. We know these are problems. They tell you the problems beforehand. They're the most transparent blockchain on the planet, right? Cardano is just a check. I'm still waiting for you guys that constantly dump on Cardano to give me some very real cons. And so far the cons have been like barely even worth putting on the board, to be quite honest. Would it be wise to get more ADA in this dip? Aver up in the house. How you doing, brother? I do not give financial advice. The advice I give is I teach you how to make your own decisions. I never want anyone to, and that's why I love people like Nigel. I know he's not buying Cardano because I wax on about it, but I don't want you guys to make decisions based on anything I say. Just take it in and, agree with me, disagree with me, add it to your thesis, and come to your own conclusion. I personally think Cardano is the best buy on the board, hands down. The biggest problem with that is I don't know if the whole cryptocurrency market's going to get their face melted off here, right? It could still get really ugly. It could be a really long year. there might be an opportunity to buy Cardano at 50 cents down the road. But I personally think Cardano will become the #1 blockchain over the next 5 to 10 years. I disagree. There are dev meetings from Harmony. That's a good point. I've never listened to them. So did I say Harmony didn't? So I don't know what their dev meetings are like. I do know that their Discord isn't. It doesn't seem like it's very useful information when I go check out things. Like, do you listen to the dev meetings? Did the last dev meeting talk about their RPC issues? Where's the post-mortem that they, where's the post-mortem that they said they were going to put out with the recent down outage of Harmony 1? Has that been put out? The Holy, excuse me, the Holy Grail project looks hella sketchy. I don't have a problem with ADA until you start propping it up like it's better than some of these other, what's an SCP? Cardano is better than every freaking platform out there. That's, if you disagree with me, okay? Have a problem with it. That's fine. It's okay to have that opinion. But I'm telling you, right? Just agree to disagree with me on that. And we'll find out who's right. But Cardano is light years ahead of Harmony 1. It's light years ahead of Fantom. I would put Polkadot in the same vein. I'd put Atom in the same vein. Well, I'm new to crypto space, so listening to experience. I love Cardano. I'm sorry. Did that get a little too loud, guys? You disagree with what, Retro? Oh, smart contract platform. Maybe, guys. Maybe. Why do you guys keep, like, it's like that's all you guys want to do is you just want to argue with me about Cardano. Sell your ADA. I don't care. I don't know what, like, I don't tell you guys to buy Cardano, but you're constantly telling me to sell my Cardano. You're telling me what to do with my portfolio all the time. Tom, you should sell some Cardano and buy some Fantom. I don't tell you what to do. How the heck is Cardano ahead of Fantom? All right, there's very good reasons for that. Fantom has dozens of functioning projects. What the heck does ADA have? Sunday Swap, which doesn't even work. I'll just say that ADA market cap doesn't really justify the amount of activity running here. I disagree. It's better technology. And, excuse me, let's go back to this right here. There's a lot more going on in Cardano than I think meets the eye. 6.5 billion, higher volume than Ethereum, 568 cheaper fees. So that's its value. The fact that it's a wanted smart chain that people want to use. Yes, there's problems. Yes, there's a roadmap to fix these problems. It's just like betting on a high growth stock. You don't necessarily, like, a growth stock trading at 30, 40, 50, 100, Tesla at 1,000 times earnings, I think it got up to. You don't buy, oh, Tesla is worth more than Ford and GM combined. You don't buy Tesla because of what it's doing this very second. You buy Tesla because what you think Tesla's going to be. You invest in Cardano because what you think it's going to be, right? So that's it right there. You could sit there and say, how does it justify it? It justifies it because people are betting on what it's going to be. It's really that simple. I'm yet to find a compelling project to ape on ADA. Yeah, I'm not going to lie. Sunday Swap, I hate what Sunday Swap is doing. And like I said, with the SPOs and the stake pool operators, and they're causing a bunch of people to jump in and oversaturate the pools. I will say that the team wanted to get a product out that functions. The product does function. Most of the problems are just due to the insane demand right now and on the network. There's other problems going on that's causing a lot of these problems on the network, the way the NFT drops are happening. This should change once the Plutus application backend gets fixed and addressed, and they can start implementing NFT drops better. That's going to take a lot of pressure off Cardano. Charles is working very heavily on pipelining right now. Pipelining's where the network goes through periods of heavy use and periods of lighter use, and so to even out that flow of usage. Next, he's going to say Cardano is better. Yeah, it's definitely better. You can't say ADA is head of FTM or Harmony when they have nothing. Bro, it's about the technology. You just keep looking. All right, I don't. Look, guys, let's just agree to disagree. Let's just agree to disagree, okay? Why can't we just continue to, I don't want to argue with you. I know I'm right and I know you're wrong. And one day we'll eventually find out who's right. It might be 6 months, it might be 2 years. Maybe I'm wrong. But I put the research into the tech. I think the tech and the way that they're rolling out is going to win out. Slow and steady. I think slow and steady is going to win the race versus Fantom and Harmony One that really don't even have that much traffic on it, right? You're talking about, far less. So let's see how these stack up as the adoption, as the amount of people that are supposed to come into cryptocurrency over the next 4 years is supposed to go up by like 8x. Harmony One is having problems right now. What do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen when DFK adds a fiat on-ramp and millions of users come in? What do you really think? Is Harmony One prepared to handle that? They have not been able to fix the RPC issues for weeks. It's horrific, guys. It's horrific. And I love Harmony One. I want Harmony One to be successful, but they are growing too fast and they can't handle the growing pains. Cardano has already grown very big, and the network, as slow as it is, it's still handling it and they haven't optimized it yet. Like, if anything, Cosmo is undervalued. I agree-ish, but again, you can't compare Cosmos to things like Cardano and Harmony just from the amount of usage of the network. I love Cosmos. Honestly, Cosmos, so I bought Luna, and I want to take some of that Luna to do more farming on Osmosis. I freaking love Cosmos and Osmosis. I like it better than Fantom, right? I like it better than Fantom. I'll tell you that right now. I think Cosmos and Luna are AAA baseball. I think Fantom and Harmony One is AA. And guys, don't hate me because Harmony One is, some of you Harmonauts are, right, just agree to disagree with me. That's fine. That's fine. If you think Harmony One is at the show right now, that's fine. That's your opinion. I'm not gonna hold it against you. Yeah, I laugh. You guys bash ADA all day long, and I put up with it all day long, all day, every day. Man, you're talking about Harmony One, man. Just calm down. ARUP asks, is the transaction time that important? We're just researching and saw HBAR. Nah, TPS is going to be important. Here's the problem with TPS. For example, Solana's claim to fame is TPS, but it doesn't matter that much right now. There's the trilemma. You got to solve all the things, and you're gonna have to pick two, right? So Solana's picking TPS and throwing decentralization out the window. And I don't know, Harmony One says they're working on the quad limb or whatever. TPS, as of this second, isn't important right now. It becomes more and more important over time. And that gives chains like Cardano. I mean, they say Cardano, I think, is like 16 or 20 TPS per second, which is, faster than Ethereum. And Ethereum's the most used network but then people are like, Solana is faster than Visa and this and that. Well, we don't need that right now. We don't need that on a block. It's coming, and we've got time. This is technology. We've got time to fix that problem. Cardano's got roadmaps to fix that problem. Harmony One claims that they're going to be able to scale up to 10 million TPS per second. But what's their true TPS? I would love to go to someone tell me where we can go and we can get, we can fact check all these different, these war sheets, like where they put up, this is Harmony One compared versus Ethereum, and they highlight the numbers that look best to them, right? I would love to have like a a really good breakdown of all this stuff and how much their TPS really is and things like that. So it's all very, very, you know, you just really got to take it all with a grain of salt. We're talking, bro, I agree Harmony 1 week currently, but we're talking both. What are you talking? We're talking about all of them. We're talking about, what about 88? Give me, yeah, let's leave Harmony alone. Bash 88. When 88 actually has a functioning DeFi ecosystem the way Fantom does, tell me how it's light years ahead. Again, how much? All right, I'm not going to continue that argument. We'll just see who's right and wrong on that one. Sana has legit projects onboarding, but being transparent, I think their core fundamentals consensus mechanisms are weak. I agree with that. Which one of you mentioned Holy Grail? Yeah, that's Rex. EVM limitation for what, Nimrod? Is Cardano, you're saying Cardano has EVM limitation? 8 to the moon. A-Rap knows what's up. A-Rap, I'm going to make A-Rap a moderator and take mod away from all the rest of you guys. All right. Excuse me. 7:39. Oh, we haven't even got. Are we gonna do spooky swap? So who, Nimrod? What are you saying? What's EVM limitation? even Nigel is cringing on. That's saying something right there. Yeah, I'm not worried about it, man. I'm gonna be sitting. I know there's some other people in here that love Cardano. We got Fortnite. I think Kurt likes Cardano. I can't remember. Tough crowd. I do know that some of you stick around just to bash Cardano. TPS. What about TPS? Nimrod, bro, what are you saying here? TPS and EVM, are you talking Cardano? Cardano doesn't have an EVM limitation. In fact, yeah, A-Rap, you calm down, A-Rap. You just admitted you were new to crypto, so slow your jets a little, bro. I love your enthusiasm. All right, so Nimrod, I think he's saying EVM limitation to Cardano. Cardano has an EVM converter, and they have EVM compatible layer 2 smart chains that are functioning right now, so that's false. Cardano has ADAX Pro coming out this weekend. That's going to be another DEX to watch. Sunday Swap is working on, they're working on different ways of doing it. Like I said, they just wanted to get a functioning project out with the scoopers, the pooper scoopers. I'm going to agree, as of right now, it's technology. These are things that they'll figure out in the workout. And so we're going to just have to see how some of that works out. All V compatibles have a TPS limitation. I'm going to have to take your word for that. Their limitation. Oh, you're saying all EVM compatibles like Fantom are just EVM compatible on. So I'm assuming you're saying all EVM compatible like Harmony 1. Because they claim they're going to go to 10 million TPS. I have to support Cardano. It's A-Rap, I don't know if I'm saying your name correctly. Cardano's my favorite. Ethereum and Cardano you can't go wrong. IMO, not financial advice with Bitcoin and Ethereum. You definitely want to make some of that part of your portfolio. IMO, not financial advice, And then my next biggest ones that I love are, Cardano's my favorite too. And I'm a big fan of Luna. All right, let's take a quick look at Spooky Swap. If you want to get into Fantom DeFi, then check out Spooky, Liquid Driver, Tomb, and Taro. All right, I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I was thinking about just doing some Fantom Boo. Is Boo the Spooky Swap token? Now I want to check out. Let's check out. Let's check out Tomb. Yeah, this looks like it's got a bunch of garbage on here, guys. Curve is good. Geist is good. Man, how many rug pulls has this one had? How many rug pulls have been on Fantom? Be truthful. Yeah, I remember. I remember looking into this. This is all the same thing as like you share on Harmony One. You get bonding and all that. I'm not sure what I don't have a good enough opinion on this one right now. This says 831 million value TVL. What does Spooky have? Let's see. Nimrod, I'm looking forward to a deep dive on EVM compatibility. Nimrod, are you in the Discord? Who are you in the Discord? Like each chain adds its own spin. All right, what is going on here? Am I not on Fantom V5 for Fantom? You say FTM Boo is not sexy, but it's paying decent rewards. I think it looks kind of sexy. Paying like 90%. You guys in your 16,000% need to chill the F out. All right. Fantom, Tomb, Spooky. Ooh, excuse me. Does it not? Oh, that's the price. That's very confusing every time I see it. That's the price of Boo. All right, let's go to, oh, you could stake Boo. What does that pay? Claim. Is this an auto compounder? Earn Foo. What the hell? Earn Foo, Woo. What is all this crap? Earn Brush. Single stake Boo. It doesn't say what the APR. Oh, that pool is ended. 36%. Why not just do the farm with Fantom instead? All right, Fantom Boo. I need to swap, and I'm gonna do 50. Get a little Boo. Oh, one shard. One shard's only one shard is functional. The shard 0. 0. Oh, use 0x DAO? Oh, it's too late. Are you saying use 0x DAO to swap? You stake Boo and get X Boo, which gives you a share of protocol fees. Okay, that makes sense. Are you saying I should swap and guys? What is? I don't even know what 0x DAO is. Swap failed. Of course. Another garbage ass chain. What's going on here? I can't even do a single swap, guys. This is garbage. What is 0x DAO? Am I not connected? Is that the problem? It saw it. 0x DAO. All right, let's see what we got here. What is this? The new one? Is this better than? Should I be just doing everything here? Do they got pools I should be in? Stake. Oh, I'm not staking Boo. I'm gonna do the farm. As of right now, I'm just gonna put a little bit of money into the. I'm just gonna put a little bit of money into this, and then I earn Boo, and then I'll stake Boo. So you're saying stake Boo on 0x, so earn my Boo and then put it on 0x DAO. Okay. Can do, will do. But I can't even swap. This garbage ass chain can't even handle a simple freaking swap. It's probably up to like 4 or 5 users right now, and it's already crapping out. I'm joking, guys. But seriously. Did that go through? What do we got going on here? Oh, wow. This is fast. This is blazing. I don't even know how much that cost me. Speed it up. 0.11 Fantom. How much? Oh, yeah, that's not too bad. Look at that. It's still going. Still going. Use expert mode. What does that even mean? You mean this? Our limit? What do you want me to do here? I just wanted... What do you mean expert mode, bro? Powered by gelato? Did they get that gelato from Sunday Swap? Not liking the user experience. Yeah, Retro's a little bummed out. I mean, did the swap happen? All right, the swap finally happened. Do I have Fantom in the wallet? I need to add Boo. Display in wallet. All right, let's go add liquidity, and hopefully we can get this done in the next. All right, that'll leave some Fantom. Well, what is expert mode? Where is expert mode? Are you just going to sit here and continue to make fun of me? What is expert mode? Are you talking about in the swap? You want me to change the slippage? Is that it? I don't got time. Or you're saying I need to do this so that it uses more gas and you want me, is this what, oh, expert mode? All right, let's turn on expert mode and let's see, all right. Max, let's go. Well, this thing still thinks I have 53 Fantom. Did I just swap it back? I better not have. Oh, balance 54 for that. All right, so let's do like 20. Oh, I'm doing a supply. Never mind. I want to see. Oh, this is expert mode. All right. Oh, why would I want all this? Oh, this is kind of cool, actually. You make fun of me that I didn't know expert mode exists. Kiss my ass, guys. All right. Expert mode. What happens if I turn that off? Well, that's kind of cool. I'm a noob because I didn't know this existed. Enable multi-hops, slippage tolerance. All right. Let's get back to liquidity. I want to go max 3.7. That'll leave about 5 behind. Ah, look at this. Look at this. Garbage ass network. Raise slippage. I don't want to raise slippage. It's already at 0.8. That's already too freaking high. Gas fees are kind of pricey over here too. What is 10% of Fantom? That's like 24 cents. What is this, Ethereum? Well, it can't even handle it, guys. Oh my goodness, what the hell? This is not. Sorry guys, this is turning me off fast. All right, I finally got my liquidity. Let's go over to the farm. %. I mean, that's pretty sexy to me. I don't need 16,000%. I want to go back and check what is that? Holy Grail, see if it's rugged yet. All right, I think we're farming. No, we're not. Approved stake. Man, it cost me like $27 in Fantom just to get all that done. All right, boys and girls, we're in the Fantom game. I may add to the Fantom game over time. I'm much more interested in Luna and Cosmos right now, but I like earning. I don't mind earning a little bit of yield. Again, staying engaged kind of keeps you, engaged in the markets. Kind of helps keep you on top of things. So we'll see what that does. I should have titled the video "Turning $200 into $2 million" over on Fantom. So we're on the road from 200 to 2 million now. Again, I made dollar cost average into this, but I'm much more, I'm much more bullish on Luna right now. Honestly, I would be buying more Cardano right now if it was like, if I can easily, what do I want to do? I was thinking about putting some BUSD into Binance and shipping that over to Anchor. Maybe I'll buy some Cardano. If I'm being honest with you guys, I'm not too happy myself. Like I said, what's going on with Cardano and Sunday Swap, and but I'm going to be patient. I believe that things like liquid finance, and they'll get these problems solved. And over the next year, there's going to be a massive amount of opportunity over there. I do like the opportunity that Luna's presenting right now. I mean, Luna's did get down to, it wicked all the way down to 47 bucks. I bought a little bit more at 49. I'm single. I did the whole arbitrage thing. If you missed that, you're definitely going to want to go to the beginning of the video. It's a cool way to earn a quick 3%. You can turn 100 Luna into 103 Luna with just a click of a button, and 21 days later, you have 3 free Luna, right? It's hard to beat that. And then you can do things like B Luna, Luna Farms. Again, I'm also very excited with Osmosis. What I've been doing over here, I am in 3 pools. I'm in the Luna Atom pool. I want to add to this one over time. So when I get my Luna back from burning the B Luna, I don't know if I'm going to buy some Atom. I might, because it'll probably be a decent time. I'll have gotten paid by then. So I might take like $500 of Luna and then ship that over to Atom, and then dollar cost average in, buy some Atom, buy $500 of Atom, and add to this LP pool right here. This one's paying, I want to say around 25%, but this is taking a really long time to pull up. At least there's add liquidity button. All right, what is going on here, guys? A microphone check. I mean, is this thing, what is going on? Is my internet down? Holy grail. Getting a little green candle. Is that where Nigel bought in? What are the markets doing in general? We got Bitcoin trying to get a little ignition, pushing up towards the Fibonacci. George said Max Payne's at like 42,000. He pulled out that we might pump to 42,000, guys. I'm not going to complain if he's wrong. Harmony 1 below 18 cents. Woo. Harmony 1. Woo. I will say this is another really good. Again, as of right now, I mean, this is down. This is down 54%, guys. So, I mean, I'm not saying Cardano's any better, but this would be a good time to enter Harmony 1 if you're bullish Harmony 1. I don't know what's going to happen with the markets. I don't know if crypto is going to continue. I don't know if there's another huge down move coming. Capo is 80% stable coins. If you have chips on the side, it's not a horrible time to start dipping your toe into the water. Again, I'm not giving financial advice. My advice to you is figure it out. Figure it out, eh? Learn how to, when to make good buys. In my opinion, it's much better to be buying now at extreme fear, even if it goes down another 50%, because this will eventually recover. So this is a good time. If you're bullish Harmony 1, it might not be a bet. I sold 25,000. It was only a few pennies ago, though. So I don't hate the entry on Harmony 1 right now. It's reaching what's going to be a double bottom. You might want to wait and see if it does tap down to this double bottom. The smart move would be to wait and see what it does. So if it does this, if it goes like this, something like that, then that would be the smart move. If it does something like this, well then, maybe I wouldn't necessarily short it, but I would look for that one right there. And that might be a good entry point. That's just being patient. That's just being, smart about it. again, it's we're on the fence. Everyone's talking about crashes right now. When everyone's talking about it's extreme, I'm a contrarian, guys. When you're no offense to barbers and gardeners, but when your gardener is telling you that he just bought Tesla stock, that might be a top indicator. Now the the barbers and gardeners are probably selling, and everyone's talking about crashes. I'm a buyer, right? That's how I like to do it. Unfortunately, I did a lot of buying right here. I don't have a lot of dry powder right now. I should have taken profits up here, and I didn't. I mean, we're looking at the Harmony one, but the Bitcoin's not much different, right? All the rest of my dry powder was here, and basically we're almost back to here again. So now I'm just dollar cost averaging in right now. All right, let's see if osmosis. All right, my pool. So I entered this one with about $1,000 of liquidity. That's down a little bit. I entered this one with about $2,000 liquidity. That's down a bit. I do want to add to this over time, and we are yield farming. I am taking my profits. I'm taking my secret and Osmo profits and putting it into this pool as of right now. So I am going to, I forget how to claim over here. Trade, pools, create, where's the claim button? I forget. Thought there was a way, oh, is it assets? Oh, you don't have to claim, it just does it for you if I remember correctly. Secret, something ain't right. I'm just earning osmosis, I think is what's going on. I think I'm earning some secret, but not a whole lot. So I would need to swap my osmosis into secret, I guess. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'll go like that. Or maybe Osmo Atom. What pool am I in? Yeah, the Osmo Atom's the pool I want to add. No, the secret Osmo Atom. I started putting into this one, but now I think I like the Osmo Atom better. APR 81%. Atom Osmo 91%. I should have put it in that one instead. All right, I'm going to do that going forward. And then I might add to this one actually. So I might move some Luna over and put it into this pool instead. I'm getting very bullish on Atom. So I'm gonna go half, go like that. That's how it's done, guys. I've never seen this F up on me. Did you see that? Did you see how beautiful that was? I didn't have to go to expert mode. I didn't have to increase slippage. It just effing worked. It's always been like that over here. Triple A ball, son. All right, watch this blow up in my face now. Like watch it blue screen my computer. All right, add remove. Look how simple. Look how freaking simple this is. I'm probably gonna need. All right, I still have some osmosis left behind. Boom. Doesn't cost anything. Free 90 free. Approve. Transactions happening, and Bob's your uncle in like 1 second. Are you kidding me? Triple A, son. Triple A. Retro knows what's up. Retro knows what's up. The Dogemosis is sick. Not good. What is Dogemosis? E-Gold. I hate E-Gold, Nimrod. How many times are you gonna? You know I hate E-Gold. At least there's. All right. That's how. Yeah, guys, bro. They have like 3 projects. bro. Like, what fantasy land are you living in? What does Fantom have? They have like Squid. Bro, these aren't projects. They have Spooky. I think Geist is pretty good. Tell me anything else on here that's worth mentioning. Where can I lend and borrow? Do they have Aave? I don't think Aave is here. Where can I lend and borrow? Does Aave have a lending? Or does I don't. I mean, I don't even know that Cosmos does, to be truthful. But these sushi, right? There's nothing special going on in sushi. I mean, on Fantom right now. Crypto Alpha Rivendell in the house. How you doing over, brother? Quality over quantity. I agree. E-Gold Yeesh dead. I don't know that it's dead, but I'm not a big fan of E-Gold right now. Bro, I'm sorry, Nigel. I don't know. Like, I like Fantom. I love Osmosis. I mean, Osmosis is a project of Atom. Secret is a project. These are all very, and so far they're all very polished and great user experience. It works. They've got more. I don't know that they got more volume. I mean, I guess I shouldn't. DeFi. This is an undervalued chain too. Polkadot, Parallel. So they're really upping their game over here on DeFi Kingdom. Atom, Cosmos, where are we at? Secret is a part of the whole Atom. They got stuff going on with Luna. They got the IBC, so all the different chains, you know, that's similar to the whole Harmony One thing. Osmosis is part of it. Cosmosis. Atom. All right, Cosmos Hub. It has 6 billion TVL. It's an up and comer. Does it have, which column? Market cap to TVL? 1271. That number doesn't look right. Either way, I like this better than Fantom. Sorry, brother. I'm insane. What am I insane about? Fantom is for more experience is perfect. I mean, maybe all I'm saying is the Osmosis. Osmosis is its own chain. It's just part of like the whole Fantom IBC ecosystem. The user experience on Osmosis is beautiful. The pools over there are beautiful. I really like how things work over there. Gonna watch all of us are dead. Have a good one, Nimrod. Many Christmas, guys. It's 8:05. I gotta get to work. If there's one thing Fantom has, an abundance of DeFi. Yeah, bro, but I mean, that doesn't mean anything. Most of these are probably garbage. Trick or treat night. I mean, is there anything over here other than Spooky Swap, freaking Tomb? You know, Tomb's the big Tomb's Strange Brew Bomb. Are you kidding me? Nipplegate. What did I just see? Nipple, Foxy, Nipple Labs, Boob and Milk. I mean, come on, dude. Come on, bro. Again, Fantom AA, son. AA. All right, guys, I got to get to work. Have a great weekend. Don't do anything that'll mess up your weekend. I love you all. Don't hate me. It's okay to agree to disagree. And peace.